My career began when I was about 15. I just lived on a council estate with lots of rappers, and I wasn't cool enough to rap or be in the videos, so naturally I started shooting them for my friends and things like that. So just begun with like lots of gangster rap videos. It was great for sure. Like Sundance is something I think every filmmaker wants to be a part of, so to be like taken into it so much like family and to be introduced to so many people in the organisation was incredible for sure. And it was with my friend Thea, so it was even better. Yeah. One of the directors I got to meet was Malik Frizal, who was the mentor they gave me. So he'd done a film called Imperial Dreams on Netflix that I absolutely loved, so straight away meeting him was proper amazing. Yeah, I do commercials and music videos as well, so I've been doing music videos most months, and as well as that, I shot about 3 new short films and developing a feature, so excited about it all for sure. I suppose my favourite program is probably Premiere Pro. It's something that I use all the time, but to be honest, it's the way that you can go between each program that I like. Like, you can't do that with Final Cut or any of the other programs. I suppose because they're so widely used, they're easy to learn. Like just with online courses, you don't even need to go to school. So when I started using Photoshop when I was 15, it was just YouTube tutorials, and because everyone in the industry uses it, it's so easy to kind of go online and learn how to pick up a certain skill, which makes it really accessible for everyone, I suppose. I suppose they're not really hacks, but I suppose it'd just be to learn the program inside out, because I've been using it for so long, everything feels so quick to use, and it just makes the editing process go a lot quicker. So it's just like about taking a few weeks to get comfortable with the program. Just to make a film that you really want to make, instead of making a film that you think certain festivals will like or audiences will like. They've always been like my worst films, where I'm thinking of what people are going to think when they watch them, as where if I just make something that I love and I'd want to see in the cinema, it always goes better. Yeah, it feels amazing for sure to be a part of it, and to have it in London as well is great, because my friends can come out and family can come and watch it, so it feels great, like a part of a community.